I'm Yaneli, also known as Miss Be Helpful, with another FinCap Friday brought to you by NGPF. Some facts about spending and debt in the United States are straight up scary. And while we may not talk about this stuff or hear about it all the time, it affects millions of Americans every single day. The total household debt in America reached a massive $18.39 trillion as of mid 2024. This number is a total of all the outstanding mortgage loans due, car payments owed, and more. It's the highest amount on record for this kind of consumer spending. Mortgage debt alone makes up 12.6 trillion out of that total, with the average mortgage balance reaching over $252,000. And if you struggle to keep up with the monthly mortgage payments, it can lead to your home being foreclosed. Foreclosure means that the bank or mortgage lender can take legal action to sell your home in order to get the money back that you borrowed from them. This process starts a few months after you missed monthly payments, and they'll send you a warning letter, also called a default letter. But if you don't send payments after you receive that letter, then your home could be auctioned off to the highest bidder or sold to another buyer. That means you would lose your home and you would have to move out. Plus, foreclosures get marked on your credit report, which makes your credit score drop, and it makes it much harder for you to buy a home again in the future. Car loans also reached an all-time high of over $1.5 trillion owed in 2024. The average car loan amount was about $24,300, and payments averaged over $700 a month. If somebody falls behind on their car payments, a similar thing would happen where the lender could repo your car. Repo is short for repossess the vehicle. This means that they take your car back without even warning you. Defaulting on a home or on a car both seriously damage your credit, and it makes it really tough for you to get loans in the future, to qualify for good interest rates when you borrow, or even to get certain types of insurance coverage in the future. This is why it's so important that you understand money early in life, learning how to create a budget and how to stick to it, how to generate income in creative ways, how to save cash early and often. All of these habits mean that you don't necessarily have to fall into these financial traps or negative debt cycles when you get older. With education and by taking action, you can learn how to manage your money, make a financial plan, invest, and know when something is a need versus a want so you could skip out on a lot of unnecessary spending. Building good money habits starts when you're really young, well before you ever apply for a car loan or a home mortgage loan.